comfort food had a love language, this would be it. Get ready for tender braised chicken and the creamiest mashed potatoes you've ever tasted. We begin with a flavor-packed secret weapon, garlic-infused oil. Fresh garlic slowly bakes in the oil for about 30 minutes, transforming into a rich, aromatic infusion that will elevate every bite of this dish. Meanwhile, it's time to prepare our potatoes. After giving them a good wash, we sprinkle them lightly with water to help create the perfect texture. They are covered with foil and sent into the oven to bake for 35 to 40 minutes until beautifully tender on the inside. Now let's turn our attention to the star of the show, the chicken. A generous coating of your favorite seasoning gives every piece a bold, savory flavor that's impossible to resist. Next, we slice up fresh onions, adding the foundation for a rich and flavorful braising sauce. Into a hot pan goes a drizzle of oil, and then the seasoned chicken. Listen to that sizzle. The chicken begins to develop a beautiful golden crust that locks in all those delicious juices. It's time to flip. Look at that color. Perfectly browned and packed with flavor. Once the chicken is fried to perfection, we remove it from the pan and set it aside. Now the onions take center stage. As they soften and caramelize, they soak up every bit of flavor left behind in the pan. At this point, in go the sweet cherry tomatoes and the chicken. The colors alone are enough to make your mouth water. To bring everything together, we pour in some chicken broth, creating the base for a rich, comforting braise. The lid goes on, and now we let time do its magic. As the chicken simmers, it becomes incredibly tender while soaking up all those incredible flavors. Back to our potatoes. Fresh from the oven and perfectly soft, they're ready to be transformed into something special. Then add 2 spoons of that fragrant garlic-infused oil. Instantly, the aroma takes things to another level. A sprinkle of your favorite seasoning follows, bringing even more depth and flavor. Then come to spoons of butter and a splash of cream. Rich, silky, and absolutely irresistible. Everything is mixed together until smooth, fluffy, and creamy, the kind of mashed potatoes that could easily steal the spotlight. What an aroma. Finally, a touch of fresh parsley adds brightness, color, and a perfect finishing touch. And now, serving time. A generous bed of creamy mashed potatoes is placed on the plate. The tender braised chicken is carefully nestled on top, surrounded by its rich onion and tomato sauce. One bite of this tender braised chicken and creamy garlic mashed potatoes, and you'll understand why comfort food never goes out of style. Save this recipe and share it with a friend.